Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best instant gaming discount promo codes and you can use it on their website to buy the subscription or whatever you want to buy like this. So first of all, go to the Google and inside this section, just inside the URL section, just write down the name, exact same website, which is simply codes.com. Make sure to enter the website, exact same spelling, press enter, and you will be redirected to this website, simplycodes.com. On the right side, you will see a search button or search section. Just click on it. And inside this section, so just write down the name of the website, which in our case is Instant Gaming. Just write down Instant Gaming, or you can just write down instantgaming.com as well. That is your choice. You'll see the results. So that is our website which we are looking for in our case. Just click on Instant Gaming. And once you write down Instant Gaming, so you will see a list of promo codes, as you can see, like promo codes, coupon codes, best September 2025. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, like there are many of the codes which are listed. Some of them are unverified, which means that they need to be verified. So make sure to choose the verified codes if they are unverified. So just choose these ones and apply it and check if they work. So scroll down, as you can see, the use time as well, 222 times, 3.3k times, which means that these codes have been working and they are updated on daily basis almost. So make sure to try different codes. Let's say I want to go with this one, 8% off. Just click on view code. And once you click on view code, so you will see, as you can see, like the code has been copied to my clipboard. This is the promo code. You can just directly click here, shop at Instant Gaming, or go to their website and use your code. So make sure to try multiple codes. If you need more, just click on show more and you will see list of all the promo codes that are available. So these are some coupon codes which you can try and get the discount at Instant Gaming.